Hello everybody, Multiman37 back here with another review, this time of the deluxe Assault Wolf progrise key from Kamen Rider 01. This is another power-up progrise key. This time, a power-up progrise key that belongs to Vulcan, which is kinda cool. So we'll take a look at the box, then the Assault Wolf key. And there's a lot to go over with this key, so buckle up. So, here we got a picture of Vulcan, the Assault Wolf key, what you can do with it, and the Shining Hopper key, the various devices you can use it in. Assault Wolf, bottom is not very much, but on the back is, of course, everything you're going to do, and we got Shining Assault Hopper right there, which we'll get more into later. So, let's take a look at the Assault Wolf key, which is very different from most progrise keys, mostly because of the protrusion sticking out called the Assault Grip, which we will get into. So you got Assault Wolf right there, picture of the wolf. When you actually extend the progrise key out, you actually don't get an X-ray of the wolf, but you get the head of the wolf right there. And when it was closed up, this made a leg instead of now, but now it makes the lower jaw. So yeah, on the back, this takes two button cell batteries, which are included. QR code is right there. And I'll get into more of the Assault Grip. So traditionally, to activate the sounds, you push on the Assault Grip, the button right here. And you can push the button right here, but it won't give you that startup. It'll just immediately say the name. Now this can be removed. All you need to do is push down on these little tabs, and that removes the Assault Grip. And as you can tell, the main body is the same shape as the Shining Hopper progrise key, which again we will get into later on. So there's so there it is by itself. Now that that's settled, I'm trying to grab the bucket right now. I should have had this set up earlier, but I didn't. We will set up the don't start leaning in a different direction, please. We'll set up the shot riser. So let's get down to it. Heshin. So there we have the transformation into Kamen Rider Vulcan Assault Wolf. Very nice. Very, very nice indeed. So yeah, get a good look at that. I do like how it makes the gun look a little bigger, so that is nice. Now we get the attacks. You can hit the button here, but it's better if you hit the button here. So you get Magnetic Storm Blast, and if you hit this button, it's kind of the same thing. And attaching it here for the fever. Now, there is technically a sound for if you have the key by itself without the grip. So there's the sounds it makes by itself, but then when you put it in here, it said authorize. So it had a incomplete version of the transformation. And so you get the magnetic blast. And because I didn't show it off last time, I will show off Shining Hopper here. I don't know whether or not the batteries are low on that. Hard to tell. Speaking of which, let's now use it. This progrise key in the attached shotgun. So put it in here.
Progrise key confirmed. Ready to utilize. Assault Wolf ability. Magnetic storm carbon shot. Charge rise.
I did it wrong, but whatever. So there's that. Now, of course, as you noticed, the keys are a similar shape, and there are buttons and holes in the back of this thing. So yes, you can actually swap over the Assault Wolf key's assault grip to the Shining Hopper key. And it fits on just like so. Now, in the show, they actually ended up making a second assault grip for the Shining Hopper key by itself. And it just so happens I do own a second assault grip. These were sold by themselves, and they were relatively cheap. This only costs like $10 by itself because, well, it doesn't really do anything. So if you have another one, you can have both these progrise keys with the assault grips on. So switching out the shot riser, we're going back to 01 with the 01 driver. So hit the button, and now we get a new sound. And if you hit it again, so let's use it. So we get a fusion form between Shining Hopper and Assault Wolf called Shining Assault Hopper. strictly for 0-1 to use. So, push it in. We get...
Shining the third impact.
Then, you can't hit the button.
Assault charge. Shining the third impact.
And while I'm in the area...
Assault charge. Shining the third impact.
And of course, in the shot riser.
Shot rise. No chance of surviving this shot. Assault charge. Shining the third blast.
Nope, that answered my question. Actually, does it have enough juice for me to do... Well, I'll see in a minute, because I'm almost done with this anyway. So...
Progrise key confirmed. Ready to utilize.
Here in the...
Shining Assault Hopper's ability.
In the, attached caliber.
Shining the third trash.
I mean, I guess it would have cut off by that point anyway.
Charge right. Full charge. Shining the third.
I mean, I guess that works considering it cuts off by that point anyway. So yeah, this thing was low on batteries. It just surprisingly lasted quite a bit longer than I thought it would, which I'm honestly kind of impressed. Thing about this progrise key, when the batteries are low, sure, it does sound a bit lower pitch, but it's not as off-putting as most other toys I have with that problem. So, kind of weird, but it works. Quiet you. So overall, this progrise key is pretty cool, and I do like how it gives you bonus sound effects for the Shining Hopper progrise key. Now, of course, you don't need this. You can just buy the Assault Grip by itself, like I said earlier. But it is nice to have this progrise key as well. I think it's nice. So, I'll see you guys later. Take care.